Hey, good morning, everybody. I will be back in person tomorrow on vacation, doing a little pheasant hunting in South Dakota, and I'll be back tomorrow. But just wanted to make sure that you are keeping up with your packet, Chapter 3 review packet for the Chapter 3 test. The assessments that I put up, the quizzes and retake tests, etc., for Friday, that's still open. If you missed any of that and want to take any of those, make any of those up, please do that. That's in the yellow folder at the top of our page. And then also today I put up the some answer keys for the Chapter 3 packet, so you can check some of your work on that. Our sub today, Miss Peterson, has a chemistry background, so she should be able to help you with some of those too if you're in person. But otherwise, you can check that that folder with the Chapter 3 answer keys to the Chapter 3 packet. You can do that. Otherwise, just keep plugging away. If you have any questions, I'll be able to answer those tomorrow in our Zoom call. But take a look at the assignments. There's a couple, like the ionic puzzle. Might be one other also that I'm going to be eliminating from the gradebook. There were just too many people that, well, I should, first of all, that was early on, and I don't think I listed it as a Google assignment. So some people did it, and submitted it right, and some people didn't, and some people didn't do it at all. So I'll take the ownership of that, and I probably didn't have it posted correctly when it was first due. So, anyways, my dog here wants to say hello. He's tired. This is Cinder. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. So, Cinder's a pheasant hunting dog, and he's tired. But, anyways, I'll be in touch with you tomorrow. Send me emails. Get on the Zoom call, and we'll handle any stuff that needs to get handled, and we'll wrap up the term well. Okay? Do well.